Okay guys, carry on working on this Astra J 2012. Just finished the intake runners, 3 flaps. I will leave probably a link in the description of this video for you guys that are interested. And after that, the car started to ask for a regeneration. The car was brought to me due to lack of power. I drove the car from home, came onto these back roads, and to me it's driving okay, but it's telling me this. I actually like the fact that it tells you, oh damn it, just as I was planning to go and show you the exhaust temperatures, etc, etc, damn it, it just finished the regeneration. I'm at the end of this road now. Yeah, the regeneration is finished. So at the top, fuel injection mode was saying regeneration active. Then it changed to homogeneous injection something, and now we came up to normal. Temperatures are gone down. Exhaust temperature gas sensor 2 was around 680 degrees, so it was definitely doing a regeneration. And regeneration status, everything is good. So it was a failed regeneration that I don't know if I showed you on the other video for the runners. I'm not really sure, but yeah, so it's gonna see distance since last DPF regeneration 0. So that's all done. Now we still have a vehicle service soon. Let's gonna see what this is for, and we'll move from there. But not before tell you what car we are working on. If you follow the channel, you will know it's a 2012 Astra J. The engine on this is the 1.7 CDTi. I believe is the A17. Oh damn it, A17 DT something. I'm not sure. Anyway, I know it's 1.7 diesel. So that's it. So let's gonna scan the car and see what we have. See how we're gonna fix these service vehicle soon. Okay, and scan the car, and this is my code P268A-00. Mill status requested. It doesn't really request the light, but it requests that vehicle soon. Fuel injection, small quantity not learned. So let's gonna try to learn this and see if we get a fix. Okay, so to learn this, I believe you go there, escape, you go special functions. Where is that? Oh, there is. Let's see if this is going to work. Turn the AC off. The AC is off. Yeah, it is idling. I'm actually recording with my S10 because the S7 is still processing the other video for the flaps. Okay, so everything's good. Okay, fuel temperature out of range. Oh damn it, what fuel temperature does he want then? Okay, so everything is okay except the fuel temperature. What temperature does he look for? I'm not sure really. Okay, I'm gonna have to find out. Okay guys, and don't ask me why, but the Maxi Cs actually requires 42 degrees. Now I had to drive all the way from where I was, all the way back. I was actually driving back home to try to get the MDI because I could not. I've done a little bit of a Google search where I was before, and everywhere was saying between 30 and 100 degrees. And obviously the Maxi Cs wants a little bit more. Now at the moment I had to stop at some traffic lights, etc, which means if all the conditions were met, the learning would just start. So I had to keep the accelerator going, so that condition wouldn't met and that condition wouldn't met, which means now when I take my foot off, the procedure should now carry on because everything else is okay. So I'm going to take my foot off. There we go. Not requested. Continue. how he's doing now. Active, at 0. Okay. Change to 1. Conditions not met. I can like feel the engine doing some test active. Yeah, the engine is accelerating on its own. I felt a little bit of a knocking. Oh, it dropped now. Hold on. Turn ignition off. Then confirm with the button. Oh dear. Ignition off. Let's confirm. Please wait. Honestly, guys, you should have seen me on traffic lights pressing the accelerator so this wouldn't carry on. Oh dear. I should have cancelled before I turn ignition on. And press continue. Successfully. Continue. Should bring me back to the other menu. Yeah, that's gonna go back. Throw codes, if there's any codes. Not learned. Past state failed, so history. It's an history code, so let's gonna clear the code. And no codes, I hope. There we go. Right, so let me get out of the ECU. Okay, let's cycle the ignition again. Oh dear me. Start the engine. Started good. No lights. So that fuel injection thing, this small injection was not throwing the engine light. It was just throwing that message in the middle screen saying service soon. So I'm going to drive the car from here to home. It's about 10-15 minutes. And when I get home, we'll see if that works. In the meantime, I'll be testing the boost. Was one of the complaints was lack of power. Looking at the car now and everything I've seen, I think the lack of power was probably the DPF in a combination with the thrill flaps, maybe with these as well. Who knows? The car might be in a sort of a limp mode, kind of, not putting the full power out. That's what I think probably was happening. But let's gonna go for a drive, see how the car behaves. When I get back home, I'll get back to you. Okay, just before I drive back home, I just thought I would test it. I tested once. I just want to show you that it's working. On these cars, any issues with DPFs, with the intake system, any engine faults, or most of the engine faults, well, not that fault, they usually prevent the start and stop system from working. And it's working perfect. So the way this start and stop works is when you stop, you need to disengage the car and release the clutch, as I just did. And as soon as you release the clutch, the engine goes to it stops, and it goes to that, the needle stops at that auto start and stop. And now as soon as I press the clutch, the car will start again. So to me, this is another indication that there's no faults and everything is working the way it should. Power wise, the car seems to be okay. This is not the most powerful engine. I believe this is the 80 kilowatt engine. Hold on a second, because that guy just want to come through. Okay, sorry about that, guys. I think it could get a bloody truck here, and the guy couldn't. Anyway, so yeah, so as I was saying, this is not the most powerful engine. Is the 80 or 81 kilowatt engine, which is about 105 or 110 brake horsepower. So it's not the most powerful engine, but to me, it's boosting, it's power there, the car is driving fine. So so it looks like the issues we resolved so far was the issues that were probably causing that lack of power, which again, to me, I haven't drove the car before, but which to me, it was a limp mode most likely. So let's go to press the clutch, make sure the car starts, and there we go. All right, let me drive back home and probably wrap up this video. Okay, just arriving back home. Probably the missus put the Corsa inside. Yes, she did. Let's gonna stop here. Right, let's go into... I don't want him to stop now, so I wanted to leave him running, so I'm not gonna depress the clutch. Let's gonna go to the engine. Turbo codes. That's it, guys. All fixed. Really happy with the car. It's boosting okay, it's running fine, guys. So that's it. I think this video is gonna be just for that learning, small quantity learning. Don't know why the Maxi wants the 40 degrees for fuel temperature when everywhere tells me it's above 30, unless that changed recently. I'm not sure, or it could be a glitch on the Maxi, who knows. Important is we managed to get there, we managed to get it fixed. So that's it, nothing special here, but with no further ado, hope you enjoyed the video. Hope there's some information here you guys can find useful. If you do have any questions, any comments, put them below, and like always, thanks for watching.